HP M27ha FHD monitor, Full HD monitor, 1920x 1080p, IPS panel and built-in audio, VESA compatible 27-inch monitor designed for comfortable viewing with height and pivot adjustment, 22H94AA number ABA. Optimized screen. Get high-quality pictures on a full HD display with an IPS panel and 27 inches of ultra-wide viewing angles, 1920x 1080 resolution. Easy on the eyes, work long into the night without any eye strain with HP low blue light software designed for greater eye comfort. Adjustable viewing. Find your best view as the 3-sided micro-edge bezel display gives you unlimited sightlines, 100mm of height adjustment, and 90 degrees pivot rotation. Fully integrated audio. Enjoy all your multimedia with a monitor that has convenient stereo audio right on the display. VESA compatibility. The 100mm VESA pattern gives you plenty of options for mounting your monitor on whatever wall or desk suits to your fancy. Ports aplenty. Link up all your devices for a seamless multi-display setup with HDMI, DisplayPort, and VGA ports as well as an audio input. Warranty. Enjoy a 1-year limited warranty. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.